What's up, YouTube?
Today, it is currently 4:50 in the morning, and we're about to head to the airport. Where are we going today, baby?
We're about to go to Hawaii.
Ooh, we're going to Hawaii for a vacation. And yeah, we're about to change out of this clothes because we literally just woke up, and we're gonna head to the airport. We going to Hawaii, please. Okay, guys, so we just finally got to the resort. Well, we finally got to the restaurant inside the resort. We had to do like just a bunch of check-in stuff, but I got the wings, plain wings, and then Nate got
I got some beef, chicken, white rice, and potato. What is this?
that looks so yummy. How is it? Good? But yeah, we're gonna finish eating, and then after this we're gonna, hopefully our room will be ready, so we'll be able to head to the room. Okay guys, so check-in is at 3, and it's currently like 2:25 right now, so we're just gonna chill right here and just wait for check-in. Chilling at the Marriott Resort, and look at how many floors this thing has. It has 33 floors, and we're on the 29th floor, so we're pretty high up there. Anyways, let's go check out our room. This is gonna be, we have not been in this room, so this is our first time going in. Ready, baby? Alright, welcome to my NTV crib. Oh, this is nice. Okay, now let's go. Let's check out the bathroom. We didn't even check the bathroom. Okay, let's go check out the bathroom. Okay, so this is the bathroom. Super cute. Oh, I'm loving this already. Okay. Oh, look at the view. Oh, that's such a perfect view. Oh, there's a lock on the door. Wow, guys. Guys, this is gonna be our new... Watch me how far down that goes. That's scary. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. We made it, guys. We made it. Look at that view. This is beautiful. Guys, so it is currently, bro, we've been in the hotel for quite a bit of time. It's currently 5:02, and I think we're gonna go to the beach just for a little bit. This is my beach fit. Just got a cute top and some shorts. But yeah. Okay, guys, we did some walking, and we finally got to the water. So this is how it looks. It's so beautiful, guys. Like, this is our first time in Hawaii, bro. This is like so crazy, and the water feels really good. It feels really hydrating. Good morning. It is currently July 9th at 7:23 in the morning, and we are going to go down to breakfast, and then literally right after we're gonna come back, change really quick, and we're gonna go down to the beautiful beach. It's really not packed, so it's not packed at all, but you can see people kind of like surfing, people surfing over there, and then there's a lot of surfers right there too. I think I really want to try surfing. I think that would be so much fun. Okay guys, so we showered really quick, and we came downstairs to the 2nd floor, and this is my fit for breakfast. I didn't want to change, so we're about to eat, and I think we're both gonna get the breakfast buffet. $48. And then I got a water to start out with. Nate got a water to start out with, but my orange juice is coming on. It's on the way. So You ready to eat, baby? Alright, so now let's go look at what they have at the buffet. It smells delicious. I think I'm gonna get some fruit for sure. I think I'm gonna get some watermelon first to start out with. Let's try this dragon fruit. Alright, now so here's all the bagels and stuff like that. And then I think this is where they serve like the actual breakfast. Okay, so here's the choices. Classic omelet, an egg white, okay, what omelet. So basically it's just like your butter on omelet. Let's see what Nate's doing. Yummy. Got a lot of stuff already. Okay, so this is what I got on my plate. I'm gonna get an omelet so it's not completely finished, but I got the potatoes, the bacon, and the sausage, and then a side of dragon fruit and some watermelon. And baby, what do you get?
I got some potatoes, scrambled eggs, bacon, pancakes, waffles, got my chocolate milk.
Ooh, how's your chocolate milk? Good? Alright guys, we're about to devour this. So give us a couple seconds. So we just finished breakfast and we're about to head down to the water. This is my bathing suit for today. And I think Nate's on the phone with one of the guest services on forever. So now it's 10:32 and we're about to go to the beach finally. So are you ready?
At the dance floor.
Are you ready?
Not really.
Let's go to the beach and Nate's on the phone. But we're about to get in the water. I'm about to spray all this on me because I'm feeling like I'm getting burned. Like, it's so hot out here. Well, it's not hot, but it feels really good. But the sun is, you could just tell it's strong. Okay, guys, we're about to head to the Luau. It's like a little dinner. It's gonna be a buffet plus a luau. And I'm trying to get everything. I'm trying to grab everything. Nate went to go get the car, but this is the fit. Got a really nice dress on with my drawer bag. But okay, let me lock in really quick. Okay, I think I got everything. I don't think I'm leaving anything behind, or at least I hope I'm not. I'm screwed. Okay, let's get going. My lip gloss. Fuck, that's what I forgot. Okay.
Ask you to send me the location so I can put it on my phone.
Okay, I forgot my freaking lip gloss.
Go upstairs now. I'll wait for you outside.
I can't. I don't have the key. But I'm about to. I'm sorry. I'm about to. Yeah, I'm heading down to the floor. It's so bright outside. But we're about to get the car. I think they're pulling it up in valet. But I don't see Nate. Never mind, I see him. Okay. We're so late. Okay, we finally got in the car. Finally made it in the car. Now I gotta pull up the dang location. Alright, we're late as hell. We're supposed to be there at 5:15. It's 5:30. We can never be on time to shit though.
That wasn't on me.
That was me. That was me. Because we got out of the water at 3, and I thought like from 3 to 5 was gonna be enough time for me to get ready, but it was not. That's all we're eating.
Huh?
We're eating all this. It's a buffet. Look, all this is ours. All this food. Ooh, everything looks really good. Oh, we could take pictures over there. Oh, this looks so much fun. Thank you. You're welcome.
How are y'all?
Good, how are you?
Where y'all from?
From Texas, Dallas, Texas.
Big Texas,
Yes.
alright. Well, this is...
How are you two doing tonight?
Good, how are you?
Alright, I'll get you guys seated right over here. Sit these two right here.
Thank you so much. Oh, it's okay. It's okay, yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna get you started with the welcome my side. Do you want to do alcohol or no alcohol?
Everyone, can I get one big aloha? Aloha, and welcome to your Waikiki Luau here at Rockahula. My name is Trevor, and I'm going to be your host for tonight. Alright, here in Hawaii, to start, to commence, we say e ala e, so if everyone could ring. E ala e! E ala e! Cheers! Alright family, sit back, relax, get to know your neighbor. I will be around to you table by table to release you.
With all this loveliness, there should be no.
Looks super good.
We got bread. We got salad. We got potato salad. Stir fry. Chicken, fish, beef. Decent amount. Pretty good. Tofu.
You want some?
No. Salmon in there.
I love tofu.
Potato salad. I'll take some potato salad.
Is that good?
From the beginning, that's
Hi, sir. Medium rare okay for you?
Yes, medium rare is fine. Thank you so much.
One more piece?
No, no,
It's okay. Hi, aloha, guys. Would you medium rare is okay for you or what?
Yes, medium. Thank you so much.
One more? That's okay.
I think it's good for now. Thank you.
How about for you, sir?
Medium rare, sir.
Sir?
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Aloha.
This one
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, looks
Would you like
delicious.
some skin?
Yeah, that's perfect. Thank
How
you.
about you, sir?
Yes, sir.
All right. This much, yeah? You like some crispy
I love some.
chicharron?
Yes, sir. You already know.
Alright.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, let's see if this is still more or not.
Yeah, can I do it, sir?
It's like the first thing gone on my plate.
I got some purple Hawaiian bread, butter. Never go wrong.
I need the fish.
Oh yeah.
Try the teriyaki chicken. How is it? So the hula show has not started, and we need to make sure that our camera does not die before that happens. So we're gonna eat off camera, and we'll see y'all at the hula show. So they didn't let us film inside, but it was so amazing. And then here are the cast members. Hold on. So we have the cast members. Elvis. Good morning, guys. So we are about to head out to the mall, and I think we're gonna eat as well. Thank you.
Last name?
Okay, guys, we just got to the strip mall, and I have to go to Sephora because I got super like burned, and I got also super dark compared to like my natural color. So I have to get a new foundation and a new concealer. But other than that, I think we might hit Hermes so I can get some slides or some sandals, I mean. And other than that, I don't know. Where else do you want to go, baby?
Wherever.
Boo-boo, that's what I see. And that's the verse, the boo-boo too. Hello. Ooh, that's nice. Ooh, Supreme Burger.
Shit, when do we start cooking though? I don't know what anybody's pulling up. I don't know what.
Crazy, like cool. Oh, look at that watermelon. Oh, this shit's so cool. I've always wanted one of those. $20, $150, $125, $115.
I guess I'll see that.
Oh, look at this, $79. A Supreme camera. If only they had a. Oh, let's go to LV so I can get you your thingy, your crossbody. But let's go to Hermes first.
Saint Laurent. Sunglasses.
Oh, shoot. Hermes. First we're gonna go into LV and then Sephora, and then we're gonna go back into Hermes because I need to make sure I get Nate something before I get myself something. So we're gonna hit LV first. He wants a crossbody bag, so that's what he's gonna get. Whatever he wants, that's what he gets. Here's the selection. Hello. We just made it to Sephora. Go ahead, baby. Okay, so I need some of this, but it can't be this big. And I know they have a small bag.
That's why there's ladies to ask.
I was looking for the white leave-in concealer. Right. So I'll be honest. Keep on this way.
How's everything going?
It's going good so far. We got like 3 items, but we need to fill the basket up.
Alright.
Yes, thank you. Okay guys, so we're about to check out and these are the items that I got. I got the Way Leave-In Conditioner Spray. I got the Amika First Control Spray. I got the NARS foundation in the shade Valerius. So it's a medium shade. And then I got an Hourglass concealer. I got a small one because I don't know if it's like my actual shade. But this is in the shade Silk. And then I got the Charlotte Tilbury Magic Water Cream. And then I got the Huda Beauty Banana Bread Setting Powder. So let's go check out. Okay guys, so we just got our stuff and now I'm so starving. So what are we gonna eat?
Whatever sounds good to you.
You wanna keep walking and see what they kind of have around?
Yeah. What? Oh shit.
Oh, they might
There's
have
more shit in
more
there.
stuff in there, yeah. Okay guys, I think we are gonna eat Cheesecake Factory. To be honest, it sounds like the only good thing to me right now, so Let's eat it.
I ain't never been here. It's gonna be my first time. She
First
said
time?
she's been here.
Yeah, I've been to Cheesecake Factory. It's pretty good. But like I feel like the one in Texas, like some of them, they don't like cook their like meals fresh, you know? So I feel like here it's gonna be a lot more fresh.
See about that.
I wanna see if they have seafood boils out here. Because that's something I would be so down to eat. Everything's so fresh out here. I feel like this. Okay, so we definitely have to get the, oh look, here's the special menu. I have no idea what. Oh, probably might get like a lunch pasta. I might get the vodka pasta for sure. Or
The spicy rigatoni vodka?
yeah.
Sounds fire.
Well, how about this? How about we get that and we can share it and then we can also share something else. Like if you wanted like a chicken or something.
Hey,
Like I seen this the lunch chicken special. It's crispy chicken.
alright, yo. We just ordered an appetizer. What did you get?
You got calamari.
Fried calamari. I still don't know what to get. Still deciding if I want to get the truffle honey chicken or maybe some like Parmesan chicken Alfredo. I don't know yet.
I'm for sure getting the vodka pasta and we're gonna share that. And then hopefully whatever he gets we can share that too.
We just got some bread.
This is like the one they serve at Outback Steakhouse. You know what I'm talking about? And then this was just like a regular. I'm gonna eat this one though, but we gotta wait for our butter. Cause
Can't eat these some.
I can. It's just oats. I think. I don't think it's almonds.
And that's allergic to nuts.
Who's not? I'm just kidding. But yes, I am unfortunately allergic to all types of tree nuts. So. And here's our calamari. Perfect.
Thank
you guys
like some bigger plates to share that on?
I think we're okay.
Perfect.
Thank you.
We just got our calamari.
Oh yeah.
What are you saying, baby?
This is a plate of
Go
champions.
ahead and rate it. Go ahead and rate it.
Okay. I'm gonna just get the one that's already dipped. I think this is tartar sauce. Oh my.
Better from the calamari from the other day?
Honestly,
Yes. Oh, it smells way better from the
Yeah.
one the other day.
It's so flavorful.
Mid, but it was pretty good.
so far, 10 out of 10. I
We
knew
about
the
to go to
calamari
Pound
would be
Town
good.
with this. Oh yeah. We got our butter, bread.
Guys, so I got vodka pasta and Nick got his honey truffle chicken. Are you ready to eat? It looks so good.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna take a bite first.
Never disappoint.
Never disappoint.
Try chicken.
You try it.
I don't know if I'm gonna like it, bro.
Really?
Yeah.
Smells good.
Go for a bite.
Hot. Good. Would you rate it? Try mashed potatoes. And
Oh, mashed potatoes was fire.
asparagus. I know they're good.
Can't go wrong no asparagus. Tastes truffle on it.
Alright guys, so we paid the bill off camera and I think we're just gonna head back to the hotel and just kind of chill out because I'm so full and I kind of feel like taking a nap after that.
She just picked the fuck out.
Yeah, I did. And you did too.
I'm just playing. We barely ate our food. That's to-go boxes.
We ate.
The only thing we probably ate was the calamari. That shit got us pretty full.
Tore that shit up.
calamari and bread. I wasn't a big fan of the truffle chicken. It was alright. I give it a little.
I knew you weren't gonna like it.
I give it a little 5 out of 10 to be honest. It was too much bread. Something about me, I just don't like fried at all.
Yeah.
How was the vodka pasta?
Was so buzz. It was so good. 10 out of 10. But yeah, we're about to head back to the hotel because I want to take a little nap.
Yeah, I heard her.
What's up, guys? We got ready off camera, but right now we're about to head somewhere. This is my outfit once again. Got a black dress on. Guys, look at this amazing view. Oh, he looks like my Lily bear. Lily bear. So guys, we just did something. You want to show them what you did? How do you feel, baby? You're gonna spend the rest of your life with me. How do you feel about that? Thank you. So Nate got a photographer and pictures. So, boy, y'all are gonna get so tired because I'm about to be using my hands every day now. How you feel, baby? Like $1 million bucks. I feel like $1 million bucks.
I love a lot of bread.
He's so sweet. This is exactly why I said yes. So Nate got us a photographer and we're still taking pictures. So yeah. Here's a close-up of the ring. It's so beautiful.
Alright, y'all. This is the aftermath. The aftermath.
Guys, it is 6:07 and do you want to get in here with them? Okay guys, like I was saying, it's currently 6:07, well 6:08 now, and we are gonna go to this place called Aloha Steakhouse and we're gonna eat, and then after we're gonna go back home or go back to the hotel and get to clapping. He's gonna get to clapping the cheeks.
Oh, we just put us in the steakhouse. It was an hour wait to sit outside. But,
We don't want to wait.
We're gonna wait inside. She says it's gonna be like 2 minutes.
Okay guys, so I think we're gonna end up getting I think we're gonna end up getting I think we know what we want. Okay, you go first.
Can I do the 32-ounce tomahawk?
Yeah.
Can I do a medium rare?
I'm gonna do the Wagyu picanha.
Would you like a medium rare as well?
Yes, please.
Perfect.
Yes.
And one more coming up. You can have.
That's your steak? That's is my picanha. What is it called?
Start with the tomahawk real quick, okay? Just a little bit of garlic butter on top. Just checking you. And just the barbecue, you know what I mean? Yeah. I'm originally from Oregon. So yeah. Came from the snow myself, actually. But yeah, no, I grew up hunting, fishing, all that stuff.
That's a big change.
Big change. I came out here. Sauce for you.
Ooh, thank you. This looks amazing. I mean, wow. That's amazing. Guys, this steak is so fucking good. Like, so good. I can't wait for Nate to try his because I know he's gonna think it's so good too. Guys, our server just gave us a little, hold on, let me flip it. He gave us a little cake and it says congratulations on it, and then he gave us the house special watermelon ice cream. And I was actually eyeballing this because it looks so good. That's good at first, but I don't know, it's like the aftertaste. Okay guys, we just got done eating. It is 7:38. Wow, I feel like we did not. How long were we in there for? Or
An hour and a half maybe?
I really don't know.
I feel like we were not in there for that long, but 7:38. I think we're just gonna go back to the hotel and just chill for the rest of the night. And I think I know what we mean by chill. So but go home and celebrate and just have a great time for the rest of the night. So yeah. Good morning guys, it is 9:07 in the morning and we're about to go down to the little corner store, some snacks, and we're going to get some more sunscreen. We are going on a helicopter tour today, and we're also getting jet skis. We probably won't be able to record the jet skis just because our camera isn't waterproof, so but we will show y'all the helicopter tour. And yeah, just at that sneak peek of our pictures was ready. Look at how beautiful our pictures came out.
That's why I get it. That's why I get it.
Wait, hold on. It needs to zoom. Okay, there you go.
That's how I get.
Who, you?
What about John?
Alright guys, so we finally made it to the helicopter tour that Chris is yeah, we finally made it, and now we're going to, we just got to the spot, and now we're just waiting to get checked in, and once we get checked in, we're going to be on the plane, or on the helicopter. So we just finished the helicopter tour and oh my gosh, that was so beautiful, so amazing, and so needed. Like, I am in awe. Hawaii is like the most beautiful place I've ever been, honestly.
It's quite beautiful.
Very beautiful. But now we are heading to go ride jet skis, and yeah, we'll see y'all there. We have a 33-minute drive, so. Guys, we just got done jet skiing. Man, that was so much fun. Like, so much fun. 10 out of 10 experience again. I feel like everything that we've done so far in this trip has been so eventful. And I'm just truly blessed. We're truly blessed to be able to experience things like this. Almost locked us out of our freaking hotel. Anyways, we just got done swimming and I got ready really quick, and now we're about to head out to dinner. Fit check. Very pretty dress. I can barely walk in it though. Anyways, we're about to go eat Italian food. Are you excited? Kinda? Did you not want that?
No, I do want to try it. I'm down to try it. You know what I'm saying? I'm excited to try it, but like, so far, Hawaii, with the food, is giving me like a 8 out of 10.
Really?
Yes.
I think for me, the food has been amazing. So I would have to say a 10 out of 10.
I think, actually, I like, maybe the first day, yes. But everything else, there's some iffy stuff here and there. I mean,
Hell no, the steak was bust.
okay, that was good too. I forgot about that.
Yeah. I forgot about the most expensive meal we ate.
That was just yesterday too, bro.
I can barely walk in this dress. It's
She look good though.
It's so tight.
Can we get a 360?
And a little close up of the ring again.
Oh yeah.
It's paradise for sure. But I
This
just don't
is,
think I could always live in paradise.
I think this is like that recommendation, #1 recommendation. Vacation. Like bestseller. Hype is 10 out of 10. They're finally here.
Yep.
Are we eating inside or outside?
I hope we can eat outside, but we'll see.
Italiano. This is the Margianos in Hawaii. I mean, yeah, Hawaii.
So what'd you get to drink?
To be honest, it was like a ginger cola or some shit like that.
Okay. And then I got a sweet tea. No, I'm just saying okay. I'm trying to dismiss you. Anyways, I got a sweet tea with pineapple in it. And it's actually really good. It's like not sweet. I think it's just like pineapple juice mixed with sweet tea. I think it's just pineapple juice mixed with sweet tea. Like, that's the only thing that makes it sweet is the pineapple juice. Okay, baby, so what's this again?
I forgot what it was called, but it's like a big ass cheese ball.
Like a mozzarella
Oh yeah,
ball
with meat.
Yeah. Okay. Alright, dig in and let's see how it tastes.
You wanna go?
You go first.
Okay.
A little scared.
So that's what it is.
I feel like it looks like a
Like
a hot pocket or something.
Oh yeah, like a
Cheese pool. How is it? Real good? Okay, my turn. You just picked it up and ate it?
Oh yeah, cheese pool. I know she loves it.
That's so good.
She was scared to try it now.
Baby, we just got our food. This is his lasagna. And it looks so steaming hot. And then this is my carbonara. And then he said that this is an egg in the middle. Like, what the hell, an egg? I guess we'll see how it tastes though.
hot, guys. So, I'm gonna wait.
I think mine's pretty hot too.
Looks good. What is that? Bacon.
Yeah.
Guys, want a cup of water with ice?
Yes. Please, thank you.
Looks good. Really? Delicioso?
It's different. It's good, but different. Okay, no, never mind.
The upper my tongue. Right.
Hell no.
It's different.
Tomato cream with chicken.
Wow, so beautiful. They took a picture of us. And
Mi pasta, tomato cream.
this is our complimentary dessert because I got
One pizza, two pasta, one hotate. Okay, thank you.
You don't like the cake. You like a coffee cake. That's what it is. Oh, yeah.
we had to kind of, we're doing good on time, but at 8 they are supposedly said that they do fireworks every Friday at the beach, so that's where we're gonna head after this, and then we're gonna go back to the hotel. And Nate bought a full bottle of Don Julio Blanco. That shit is so strong, but we're gonna drink it.
Alright, yo.
Okay guys, now we're gonna go to the little ABC store that they have here. I've seen so many of these little ABC stores. It must be like their corner store. You hear that?
Yeah, I'm telling you, it's up there. They have something at the hotel.
Oh damn. Oh, it's probably the fucking... Anyways, sorry, I got sidetracked. But we're going to the ABC store. We're gonna get a bunch of things to mix our drinks in. And yeah, let's hope I don't get sick after this.
She said she gonna hang. We'll see about that. 'Cause every time she hang with the big dogs, she can't even last, bro.
You don't even last either.
Every time we drink, fam, like she be the first one tapping out, bro. I don't get it.
Bro, it's because it's nasty.
I don't get it.
Alright guys, good morning. I just woke up. It's currently 7:46. I'm just enjoying the view one last time before we leave. I really wish I could be down at the beach, but honestly, it's okay. There will be many more times where I'll probably go to the beach. And Hawaii, I don't know, but you know, we can always go to Miami, Los Angeles, places like that. So I don't know, to me I feel like a beach is a beach. So, and right now I'm just, Nate is knocked out, he's still asleep, so I'm just enjoying the view. And I think I'm just gonna pack everything up for the both of us, so when he wakes up he doesn't have to do anything. But yeah, we'll see you guys at the airport.
Are you gonna miss Hawaii?
I don't know if it's recording, but after a long flight, we are now landing in San Francisco. We're gonna hopefully eat something here, and after we'll be on our flight to Dallas. So guys,
Made it to Cali now.
we're in San Francisco. San Francisco. Made it to San Fran. And we're about to...
Hey, how y'all feeling? I'm in San Francisco with the bag. The 49ers.
So guys, that's gonna conclude the video for today. We didn't get home till about 5 in the morning, so there was like no way we were gonna just continue recording. We were so tired and we were just jet lagged and all that. But thank y'all so much for watching. If y'all liked it and y'all want to see more videos like that, please like, subscribe, and you know what, just comment down below what else y'all would like from us, what else y'all would like to see. If y'all like the travel vlogs, then we'll continue to record them. But yeah, thank y'all so much. Bye guys.